What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a car seat cover that was sent out by FREESOO. All right, so we are going to test it out. They said give 100% on this review, and that's what we're going to do. All right, so in the description, it says it's leather. It says it's leather. It says it's waterproof. Now, when you go on Amazon to get this, there's no car description. You know how like when you search for parts and it asks for your car. All right, so I don't see none of that when I search. So we are going to go ahead and take it out. All right, so right here we have the installation guide. Okay, so it got buckles. This actually feels pretty good. It's here. So this is the headrest right here. It has a Velcro on there. You have the bottom and then you have the back piece. All right, so we will get into all of that, you guys. You know what's nice? It says airbag right there on the side, so that's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, this one seems like more quality than the car seats that I used to buy at you know what store. Right here we have our clips. Now I'm not sure if y'all want to use the clips. You might just put the car seat over. We will see. All right, you guys, so we are about to put on the seat cover now. If you want to take the headrest off, you can, but you can actually leave the headrest on, which is pretty cool, right? But right now, you want to have a little gap right here because that's going to be very important to when you strap it down. So you take the buckles off. All right. Once you take all the buckles off, you see how open up your opening right here. All right. So what you want to do is slide it on the top and make sure you put the back on the back. And the cool part about this is it has its own pouch. So that's pretty cool, you guys. So it substitutes the pouch that comes with the car. So let's throw it on the top. That's how you do it. You got 3 buckles. Button there. Got a button in the middle. All right. Then another button on the end. All right. Then we'll pull. As y'all can see, that was a little bit of work. All right, you guys, now you have your bottom part. Oh, and make sure you're putting it on right. Yeah, we got it on right, I believe. And the headrest fits perfect. The headrest fits the best. All right. You want to protect your seat covers. For some other people, they try to hide issues. Maybe you got a burn or something on your seats. Your seats are ripped. You're trying to cover it. All right, you guys. So I'll see y'all when I go to the other cars so y'all can see if it's universal or not. All right, you guys. So since we tested out the Toyota, we are going to test out the Dodge Avenger. All right. Now it says it's universal seat cover, so here we go. Go ahead. It's actually going on easier on the Dodge Avenger. So that means the seats are a little bit bigger. And don't mind the tears, you guys. It's windy and cold outside. Hey. All right. Here we have the bottom part. Now, when you buying a car or something, be careful with this, you guys, because people will cover the seats. Maybe they got a tear or something. I seen people on Facebook Marketplace. Y'all know I'm looking for a car. I seen people on Facebook Marketplace have car seat covers on, and that's not really attractive because you think that they're hiding something. So yeah, so right here we have a rip. But if I was to sell a car, I will disclose everything to a person, you guys. It's just not moral to sell a car like that. So anyways, you have your two buckles right here. One goes under the seat, one goes around the seat. So you put it under the seat, and if you can't get it under the seat, you have to bend the seat down some. Not that button. All right, you gotta bend the seat down and then feed it through. There we go. Feed it through the bottom, while the other buckles go to the side. And don't cover your seatbelt, you guys. It's something you want to make sure you don't do. All right, so that could fold like that. That's not a problem. All right, put that on here. This goes on the side, and the bottom part wraps around. Right. This is a nice fit, you guys. It actually fits this car better than the Toyota. It fits the Toyota, but it fits the Toyota really tight. So everything is good here. We'll buckle it up in a little bit. Let's go ahead and put the headrest on. I hope. If not, it's easy to flip around. Well, y'all, look at that. You see how easy that was, you guys? Very easy. All right, I'm gonna put the rest of them on. I'm gonna take y'all off so I can show y'all how to buckle this thing up. All right, so there it goes. It's buckled up. All right, now that's for the bottom. So y'all give me a minute because I gotta grab the buckle right there, and then I gotta come get the buckle from underneath it here. All right, you guys, and now we gotta put our little straps on right here. And well, clips, straps, whatever you want to call it, is basically to keep it in tight. So what we do is slide it through here and then slide it through the other side. So I'm gonna do it real quick and then I'll show it to y'all. All right, you guys, so you see, just like that, and it stays right here, right on the bottom of the seat. And that's how you strap that part on, okay? So this is for this back piece right here. All right, we already buckled up the bottom piece. So this is the bottom, and the strap right here is the back. All right, now we got 3 of them to do. So we're gonna put all 3 on. All right, you guys, so I just put all 3 on, and there you go. Looks pretty cool. Don't mind the mess. If y'all see any mess, it just need to be vacuumed, you guys. I haven't vacuumed the car. All right, you guys, so this needs to be maneuvered, okay? It's a little bit hard to put on, so I'll put this on last. Let me go ahead and finish up the rest of the car. All right, you guys. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.